JDCap26 here to do tips and repairs and hobbies, and welcome to my channel, guys. And I want to show you today how to reply to a text. A lot of people don't know how to reply to a text. They get a text on their phone, and you see where it says messages, the green icon. There'll be a little number there or dot there. Well, you have to tap on that, and that'll bring up all your text messages in there. Okay. So what you want to do is, it'll have a dot next to the text message that is the most recent, and it should be at the top. So what you want to do is you want to click on that text message, the name, and then to see where it says messages down below, you tap your finger in messages, and it gives you a little prompt, and it gives you a keyboard, and then you just type your message in. Hi. You see the blue dot next to it with the arrow. You tap that, and your message is on your way to your other person immediately. They get that message, it pops up on their phone, and they can read it, and they'll reply back to you. Don't expect to reply right away. Some people, they're very busy, and they can't reply right away. But they'll get back to you. They know you. Your friends and everything else like that. So that's what I want to show you today. Sorry, I got a problem with my eye today here. And I hope this helps you. I hope you have a good day. And we'll see you in the next video. And that'll probably be this afternoon, probably. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Really helps me out and my channel.